We are here for extra magic hours here for the Deluxe resorts and a few selected other ones. And it's just now like 8 o'clock, and you'll have to watch our other video. We're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, but first, coffee. We are in line for Space Mountain. It's at a 40-minute wait. It's been 6 minutes so far, and we're already here where we see the cars go by. So, but now we have all the switchbacks to go through, and it is crowded. It's pretty crowded here, right? Pretty crowded. Really want to see the fireworks because we never ever watch the fireworks. We usually just ride stuff while the fireworks are going out. I want to see them. A chocolate shake with no whipped cream. This is like hot fudge there, like it's hot. Is it good? Yum, yum, yum. So we just got off of Space Mountain. Fabulous time. Didn't film on it because it was super dark in there. Saw all the stars. Super fun. But now, fireworks are going to start really soon. Astro Orbiter. All right, we got to go find our spot. Did you see that? Oh, it's dark, but the fireworks were beautiful. I love watching the fireworks. I wish we could have sat in front of the castle and seen all the projections, but it's always super crowded, and unless you get there like an hour or more ahead of time, you're just gonna have to stay with the crowd. So that's what we did, because we rode Space Mountain. But we still saw the fireworks, and they were great. Now it's 9:36 or so, and the park closes at 11, but since we're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge tonight, we have extended hours until 1 a.m. And so we're gonna ride right now Buzz Lightyear, sorry. It says a 20-minute wait.
Battle stations, go to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
by Enterprise. I'm Borat 5, your guide for this highway in the sky. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us.
All right, we are walking under Tron to Storybook Circuits because Barnstormer is only a 10-minute wait right now. So that is where we are headed. We're getting tired. Getting a little bit sleepy. And it's only like 10:30. So, I don't know. We're gonna try. I'm actually feeling okay. Everybody else is sleepy. But we're gonna still try to stick it out to 1 a.m. at Magic Kingdom. There's Tiana's. Alright, so we just got our bellies full. We ate some. I had a Dole Whip float. Owen, Brandon had, and I shared with Nadia. And Owen and Brandon had pineapple upside down cake. And not many places are open to eat. So the Dole Whip place, Bakersfield closed at 10. And they said Cosmic Rays is open. So not very many places if you want to get a late night snack. But wait times are really short. The Dwarf Mine Train is like 35 minutes right now. And no, isn't it so beautiful in the dark? I know, it'd be so cool if we could like just get in line right now. There's just like nobody here. But I think Big Thunder's like 20. Haunted Mansion is 13 minutes, which means it's a walk on. So it is a 20-minute wait, but it's long because they have to check your magic band and things and make sure you're staying at a deluxe level resort. So we're in line. It said a 20-minute wait. Brandon said he just saw a sign back there. I totally missed it. And he said it said looking for a roommate who does not snore and doesn't eat beans. Thought that was hilarious. I wish I saw that sign. I saw. Oh, is Snow White only 40? That's awesome. Yay, it's getting shorter. It was 35. We rode Big Thunder, which was really fun. Didn't film on it because it's dark outside. But it was really neat because some of the parts were lit up with red, white, and blue for the 4th of July. Then we looked at it and it was like 65. Then it went to 50 and now it's 40. All right, so I think it's around midnight now, so we have like an hour left. But Haunted Mansion is a walk-on. So I think we're gonna do that. And then, hopefully it'll be even shorter after that. So, walking on. 13-minute wait. Haunted Mansion. Look at this line.
Yeah, the whole
Inline 4, 7 Dwarf Mine Train. It is like 12:27 when we started to get in line. Did you land it? Bottle flipping. And it says a 40-minute wait for this ride. So we'll see. This will be our last ride before we get back on the bus to go back to the resort. I think it's 12:47 and we are on the very back. Owen and I are in the very back of Mine Train. Alright, so we rode 7 Dwarf Mine Train. It said 40-minute wait, waited 20, got off of that, and now we are in line for Peter Pan. It says a 10-minute wait, but I think it's just going to be walking through the queue. Nana! I love this queue. Oh, it's hooked. Whee!
Up to Neverland!
Oh, you can see little cars going. Is that Ariel? So we just walked on Peter Pan, no wait, and we had 5 minutes to spare, and the 7 Dwarf Mine Train said a 20-minute wait. So yes, we're back in line for Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs for our very last ride, and then to the buses.
We had an excellent time at Magic Kingdom for the extra magic hours, and we got to ride so many rides. We got to ride Dwarf Mine Train twice, and we had some snacks, but we didn't really show them. We talked about them, but we had some Dole Whip floats and things that we've had before. But not very many restaurants were open at all during the extra magic hours for the resorts. So if you're hungry, you need to eat beforehand because not very many places will be open till 1 a.m. So we ended up staying the whole time. They were quite tired. I was okay. Bit of a night owl, but the kids and Brayden were quite tired. So we got back to the hotel. And stay tuned for the next video because we're going to show all kinds of things at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and the swimming pools. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.